Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo Vostro 3510, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Start by removing the battery, if applicable, to prevent any electrical issues. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. You will typically find several Phillips screws securing the cover. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place, you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back panel. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. After removing the back cover, you'll need to locate the LCD assembly. This is typically attached with more screws, so take your Phillips screwdriver and remove them. As you work, remember to keep track of all screws and their locations for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the LCD from the motherboard. This may involve carefully unhooking a ribbon cable. If you're unsure about the connection, consult the laptop's service manual for guidance. Now, it's time to replace the LCD cover. Before applying the new cover, take the microfiber cloth and clean the area around the LCD and the motherboard. Dust and debris can cause overheating and poor performance, so ensure everything is spotless before proceeding. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, simply schedule a pickup online. Once the area is clean, align the new LCD cover with the assembly and gently press it into place. Reconnect the LCD ribbon cable, ensuring it is securely attached. Then, reattach the screws that hold the LCD in place. After securing the LCD, it's time to replace the back cover. Align it carefully and press down to snap it into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it. Power on the laptop to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is ready to assist you with any concerns you may have. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.